Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
You know how it feels. We both still young, so what's the rush? Tonight.
Hi guys, so I'm done with my hair. I mean, it's something new for me. I'm still adjusting, so yeah. But I think she did a good job. The hair had a lot of problems though. It was too small. It was a 13 by 1, so it wasn't like enough space for the frontal. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go find something to eat and buy my groceries and run my errands that I wanted to do. So bye, catch you there.
Have a picture of fun. Every time I pull my hair with any unfair that you'll find me ugly and one day you disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not better. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hear me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not better. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hear me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy.
Hi guys, so I'm just now waiting for my bus. No, I'm going to the bus stop actually. The groceries are heavy. Woo. I'm so tired now. So tired. So yeah, I hope you're good. I haven't been chatting with you guys because I've been running around. I've been busy, so yeah. But yeah, I'm here now. Whew. Tired tiredness is an understatement. Hello guys, so I'm now home. I have to squat like this because the lighting in this room is poor. So I'm now home. I got a few groceries and the package. It was on the reception when I came back. So yeah, this is a Shein haul. I think the video will come after this one, or Shein haul will come before, I don't know, but I think the video will come today or tomorrow. This is Monday, so it might come on Tuesday morning or today if I finish editing it fast. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you a few things that I got. Sorry, I have to like, because yeah. So all the stuff are here. Ooh, child, it's a struggle. I'm gonna buy a type of soup. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. So I bought potatoes. Guys. I also bought this kashamana for Zara. Guys, the cost of living, it's not doing well. I also bought this for my laundry. Cafe, I don't know how to pronounce this. This is for Zara, like mkakakakora. Focus, man. Yeah. Lemonade. Breakfast wraps. Mince. Eggs. More juice. One second. What juice? I also bought spaghetti. I also bought, what's this? Snacks. Rice. I have macaroni already in there. I have milk. More snacks. I don't know, like, imagine, it's like all this is a, the cost of living in Poland is really bad now. I also bought this perfume from Zara. There are two actually. This perfume, I don't know if you can see. I know how one smells. I don't know how the other one smells. There's this one. Focus, man. I don't know if you can see, guys. I don't think you can see. What can I do? Oriental Zara Day Collection 02. And also there was this one, Wonder Rose. I've used Wonder Rose before. Yeah, they are both days. Yeah guys, I'm now closing off this vlog here. My phone is now complaining space. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like, comment and subscribe and share the video to your friends, your family. I would really appreciate it. Toodles, bye.